we messed up on the first video on opening this.
Because someone.
Because of someone. So we're gonna open it right now. Well, we've already opened it.
You should probably upload that other video.
It
will be like bloopers.
So you could edit this, I believe.
Here, you can have your spot back.
And it had this.
Hi, I'm back.
It had this for bullets.
Oh, it's still here.
I'm from the Pokemon video.
Me too.
Excuse me. Pardon me. I don't think
This is pretty cool. It has this
Ma'am,
for scopes
you're
and that.
talking to me.
And this.
I'm breathing in your neck. It's weird. Help.
This is cool. Because you could just have it in the bottom of the gun.
But when they fall,
And then
They're not gonna fall.
they could.
I don't know how to shoot this gun. I've never shot
Oh, I know. Put this one back. Like that. And then I think you have to. No, yeah.
it. Okay.
Pull it back up.
So I'm gonna shoot the camera.
Ah.
Shoot the girls.
Can I shoot it?
Okay, now this worked really good.
I'm gonna shoot myself.
I'm gonna shoot you.
Oh!
No.
Fine, shoot my head. Shoot my head.
You told me to.
I know. Don't you think I already been through enough? I ate a warhead. Oh, they missed it.
Did it
And then
hurt?
you shoot me in the
Did
head.
it hurt?
No.
Oh, trick shot.
How was that trick shot?
Ooh.
Use the camera on this.
Do you even know what a trick shot is? Do you know
So
what a
now I'm gonna
360
try it
no-scope is?
without this thing. Okay. I hope it does the same thing.
This is my gun.
No, it doesn't.
I can shoot. I can pretend. There we go.
Now I'm just gonna take this thing off.
Okay,
It's obviously gonna do the same thing.
so I guess this makes it go further or like stronger.
Farther.
No, it just makes this longer.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm gonna shoot you guys. This is the same exact thing.
Shoot her.
So this is easy review, cool.
Get out.
Nothing to test out, just a shooting. So,
Get out.
should we go? Should we go?
Get out.
Should we go outside?
It's too dark. They wouldn't be able to see it.
Yeah, they would have been.
Maybe you should try in the morning.
Yeah.
Tomorrow or today.
So that goes cool. Probably put like far. Cause
And then there's this.
yeah, I
I'm
showed
gonna
you.
show them separate. 4 darts in this set.
Hey,
I think they're
expand thing.
to get out.
I think they're glow in the dark. Probably not.
I don't think so.
But I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do it.
Oh, you're gonna shoot the thing?
Now I'm gonna shoot this Pikachu.
Here, let me hold it. Let me hold the thing. Let me hold it.
Here, I'll hold it. Ah, no. Okay. I never said you can or was.
What if it goes in my face?
Ooh.
Freak, it got the nose in one night.
I'm gonna test shoot it again because now I'm gonna do it with the expand thing.
You should probably put this on here. I'll have it.
Okay. I'm gonna put this on
So you know what it's like.
and
I think that goes on the top.
no, it doesn't. No, it goes here because this is for the scope.
Right.
Okay. I'm gonna do it from right here.
Oh, freak. Oh, freak. It went like,
Did y'all see that?
it went like this. Look, guys, it went like this.
You can't expand? Wow.
I think this is gonna be it for the video. Bye.
Bye.